Hi, I'm Mr. TD Banda. Welcome to Haven of Excellence. We are discussing mathematics. In the last video, I talked about how you can solve this question. These questions, they came last year in 2025 under GCE in paper 1. So now, because earlier I solved this first question you see here, now I'm going to solve the question 4. Okay, this question reads, solve the equation 1 over 2 x squared minus 8 equals to 0. So it is like this: 1 over 2 x squared minus 8 equals to 0. You always know that grouping the like terms. For those of you who are still behind under algebra, I've got another video which you are supposed to watch. Just subscribe to this channel so that you get to understand in case you're having issues to do with algebra. So under here, first we have to group the like terms together. So which means we are taking 8 on the other side. So when we do that, 8 is having a negative sign here, which means when it goes to the next, when it jumps the equal sign, it becomes positive. That means that we are going to have half x squared equals to 0 plus 8. I have just made 8 jump to the other side. So now the question is, why didn't I get half also so that should jump on the other side? This half, it is not just a number, just like the way you see it, like it is married to x. It is very close to x, so these are together. You don't separate them like that. I hope you understand now. So now after doing this, in order to simplify things very easily, it's better we multiply both sides by a 2 so that we get rid of a 2. What I mean is half x squared times 2 equals to 0 plus 8. It gives you 8. Then we are multiplying both sides by 2 so that we should get rid of this half there. So we have 1 times x squared, which is x squared, times 2, which will give us 2x squared, divided by 2 times 1, it gives us a 2, equals to 8 times 2, it gives us 16, like that. So you know that 2 into 2 goes in one time, 16. Then now we have x squared equals to 16. Here, because this is squared, we only just need a single x, which means we need to introduce the square root on both sides. So what is the square root of 16? In other words, it's a question of which number can we multiply by itself so that we should get 16. And then you get to find out that it's a 4. When you multiply 4 times 4, you get 16. And it means our x is 4, just like that. Yeah, so if this video has been very helpful, thank you for watching. Just feel free to subscribe. And if you are having problems or you'd want to ask some questions, you can actually get to me on WhatsApp, which is I'm using 0971 14 76 24. 0971 14 76 24. That's my WhatsApp line. You can get in touch. I will actually offer free and fair, not election, but lessons. Thank you.